Right, good morning, good evening or good afternoon folks. Where am I? Well, you can see Ipsley Church behind me. They've asked me, they're doing like some model and some stuff on the church, and they asked me if I'd do a bit of drone footage. So before I say any more, don't forget to like and subscribe. The next shot you'll see will be the drone circling around the church. Then you'll see me going up the bell tower, and then a little shot in the church. It was a bit dodgy going up that bell tower. It's not open to the public, it's very narrow, but I made it to the top, so which is very interesting. So anyway, let me show you around, catch you in a sec. Folks, I'm going up the bell tower. Now this is only for the bell ring. It's not open for public, but they've let me as a one-off come and have a look. So we're going up. Oh, right, let's come up here. I'm not going to sing the song, but this is the bell ringing bit here. I'm going to tap onto that and do a little circle. That's great. That's a view into the church. This is the bells that ring. I often hear them. I don't know if I'm regretting doing this. I'm now got to go up there. See up there. Just got. Is it Charles then? Is it Charles? Yeah. I thank Charles for guiding me up here. We're just going to give you a view from here, which actually I'll get with the drone, but I say it's not open to the public. This I've just I've been doing a bit of work for photography, so they've let me up. So just to give you a shot here. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, nice. So there we are, the top of the church, Ipsley Church, folks. What a view. That's nice. I'm going down. Yeah, great to see. It's a bit of a one-off, but I've enjoyed it. So lovely. Yeah, hi folks, we're now in the church, a lovely group of folks here, so you're always welcome. Yeah, just a quick shot. I'm changing settings. Yeah, do the usual little spin round. Got a few visitors here, so that's nice. Yeah, if I look a bit rough and ready, I've just been up to that top of the tower, so anyway, you'll see that on the clip. It was brilliant. Anyway, thanks for joining me, folks, and let's hope there's peace all around the world, and extra prayers for Ukraine at the moment, because things aren't looking too good, but hopefully it will get sorted. Catch you in a bit. So they got a chap, Charles, he's been doing the computer work. I think it's Charles, don't get me 100%, there's quite a few lovely people in there, but anyway, they're doing the computer modelling. They want to blend in a bit of real life video in with their modelling, so should be interesting to see the end results. So yeah, that's a lovely history there on the church. It's St Peter's, so if you've got time, come up and have a look. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, so church entrance round here. Got some daffodils. Well, we've got plenty of flowers, so while we're at it, yeah, try again. Yeah, these are nice here. Some more just here, and lovely. See the daffodils, they're great, and I've just missed the bee as it was going round here. These are nice. Yeah, it's lovely. Nice colours there as well, and these not flowered out yet, I don't think, but they look nice. Yeah, so thanks for joining us. I can't not, anyone knows me, I'm more talking to trees than humans, but this is a lovely tree here. Any tips on the, no, a pigeon just flew off. That was my only company. Lovely tree anyway. So we're going to carry on round and go into the church. So yeah, it's been a nice little morning. Really enjoyed it, and rest in peace everybody here. So I'm now going into the church, so we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, hi folks. Well, it's end of the show. Hope you enjoy this little clip here at the church. A bit of a mishmash because I've already done some of the video. Now this is the ending. Thanks for joining me. If you could, it's free to like and subscribe. Don't cost you nothing. A lovely play with the drone, that was great. And let's hope there's peace all around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye.